Looking for your dream home on over 9 acres? Rock in your rocking chair on your front porch and enjoy the peaceful views. Spacious living room with tons of natural light and stone fireplace. Formal dining room. Eat-in kitchen features granite countertops and bar seating. Real laundry room. Enormous tile shower and master bath with double vanities. Huge spare bedrooms connect to your Jack and Jill bath. Large concrete patio. This well-maintained gorgeous home has so much to offer. On this piece of paradise there is a 30 by 50 pole barn shop with 12 garage doors, propane heat, kitchenette, half bath and carport in the back. 30 by 74 extra large open shed with covered parking for RVs, boats and all the toys. Additional metal shed with carport.